Hi, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you how to determine what the closest PMS color is to an R file that has no PMS callouts. So the first thing you're going to do is select the first color that you would like to determine. So I'm just using the direct select tool, and I'm grabbing this first gold color here. And we're going to go up to the edit drop down, and we're going to go to edit colors and then recolor artwork. Once this shows up, if you were to click on this new, it's just going to show you the CMYK, RGB, and HSB values. But if we go down to this little drop down here, which says none currently, and we go to color books and then Pantone solid coded, we're going to click that. Now if we double click this new, it is going to tell us that this color is the closest to 124C. So you just click OK and OK, and you can see that up here in the swatch menu it added 124C. So now you would just go ahead and repeat the process for every single color in here, and this is going to tell us what Pantone colors to mix to do a screen print of this design here. Thanks for watching.